This tiny house in Trastevere, Rome, has a unique story. It's a gatehouse that used to be a carriage house for Pius IX.
At least that's what it says on the map.
It's 14.72 square meters. That's about 150 square feet. Let's look inside. The house opens up into this great space for welcoming.
It had been a long time since any renovation work had been done, so the floor was in need of repairs. But since that was beyond what we could do ourselves, we covered it with this temporary click flooring. Good for us and for the antique tiles.
This gate leg table is from Ikea, and it can fold down, creating more space in the living area, or it can open up and be a wonderful table to welcome guests. And there are many memories of great guests at this table.
We have 5 stools. They're simple and adaptable, and they have storage space. We keep tablecloths here, for example. And we built them years ago with the Little Sisters of the Lamb. They've moved with us from house to house.
We created 2 separate working spaces since we spend a lot of time working here. So a little TV tray table desk and a little piece of furniture I created on top that has legs that fold down that can either be a computer desk, a bed table, or even a stool for meditation on the floor. The office space is made by opening out these panels. The addition of shooter earmuffs also helps to concentrate.
The loft is an important contribution to space. The brand is Star. You can order kits online, they get delivered to your door, and friends helped us put this one together. There's room up here for 2 cots and storage space under each one.
We made the ladder so that it would fold away from the entry area of the house. That way there's also room for a comfortable chair. With the extra wood from the loft, we were able to create several bookshelves. And attached to the shelves, there's a little pulley system for an electric piano.
The space under the loft is used for storage. These boxes from Ikea are meant for shoes, but we use them for everything but shoes. We have bags for recycling and trash and shopping, rags, a hair dryer and travel iron and a lot of other things, and personal items, which I won't show you.
These wardrobes were created to fit the small space. They're on wheels, so you can push them out of the way to make room for a gathering in the house.
Over the years, this house has gone through a variety of phases. The back area is currently divided into a bathroom and a kitchen. Even though it's a small house, it has a back door.
Welcome to the kitchen. We have 4 liters of kombucha brewing in here. You can see the nice SCOBY forming on top. And we have 2 liters of kombucha in the second fermentation stage, so it'll get fizzy. And another great thing in our kitchen, we have this cart that I made to fit specifically this induction top. It's just an induction range top. But it has this leaf that drops down so that you can open the door.
Thanks to our friend Marie, who unfortunately left Rome, we have this spice rack and we have these rails with hooks to hang things up on both sides of the kitchen. And we have, not from Marie, a dish cabinet that's typical in Italy but not in the United States. It allows you to put the dishes in here wet and they drip dry. There's not a lot of floor space, so we have our recyclables on hooks, paper, organic waste, plastic and metal, glass, and as you can see, there's a lot of it, so it's time to take it out.
Welcome back to the little house on the piazza. There's one last thing we'd like to show you, and it's in the bathroom, the little bathroom, how to do laundry. And we have this homemade laundry contraption. It's 2 5-gallon buckets, one inside the other. One of them has holes drilled in the bottom, the other does not. And on the top we have a plunger with holes in it so that it can make foam. So we take this contraption and put it in the bathtub, and then take something that needs to be washed, like this tablecloth, and fill it with water and soap. That should do it. Now, if I wanted to dry it in the house, I can put it on this rack right here. But since it's such a fine day, let's go outside. This piazza is a wonderful place, not only for drying laundry, but it's been a great place to welcome friends and to have campfires or grilling, barbecues. Well, I'm just grateful that this house has been a part of my life.
Thanks for joining us for this tour.